in 24 hours, I'm going to be creating a product, I'm going to be packaging it perfectly, uploading it to my digital store and promote it all within 24 hours to show you how much money I could potentially make using this and how you can do that as well. So I have two courses. One is Becoming Instapreneur, which covers the basics of Instagram, and Personal Branding Genius, which covers the basics of personal branding. Now, what I want to do is probably mix both of these together because I feel like this is just the better way, and then sell it on one of my, digital product store, which is on TopMate. Now, I'm actually planning it to sell it for free because I feel like this could be really, really helpful for people to understand how to make their content game up to the level and create a powerful personal brand. Since I already have the PPT of both of these, what I'm just going to do, as you can see over here, I'm just going to go through whatever I have written. I'm going to combine both of them, remove the data which I feel like is unnecessary first, and then transfer it to another brand new presentation slide. So I just picked this one from Canva. Let's start off with the phase one. Phase one is to realign and restructure my digital product and then finalize the PPT. Okay, so I just now finished the outline of the course. I kind of reduced a few points, and right now I have 20 points. Let me show you. So these are the 20 things which I want to talk about. I'll also add a bonuses section. So that is it. Yay. Okay, we are at the end of phase one right now. I have connected. I have created the outline. Now it's time to add all of the details in here and merge the two PPTs, and then we'll move to the phase two, which is actually filming the video. I think it should take not more than an hour, but let's see. And yeah. Okay, so it's been 1.5 hours and I managed to crank out 55 slides of the new mini course. I think it should take me like 30 to 45 minutes to explain this. It's pretty like fast paced, and also I feel like a little bit in depth, so I'm scared. I hope that it should not cross above 1 hour mark, because other than that, like, the audience gets bored and then they won't watch the entire course, like the entire video. So that's that. But yeah, now I'm gonna take a break, and then probably at 2:30 or 3 o'clock I will go ahead, I will just film this, and I'll see you over there. We are on the start of phase two. So I have just grabbed my laptop, I had my lunch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and film the entire course. Hopefully it should not take more than 30 to 45 minutes since it is a mini course. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and it is just going to be a one, like, small big small clip where I will take them through the presentation. So that is going to be it. Once that is done, I will then move ahead to my digital platform where I'll upload the course, and I'll see you on phase 3 then. जस्ट गॉट डन फिल्मिंग दैट. बीच में मेरा लैपटॉप फुल हो गया space, so I had to delete some files and then I had to start from between. But we have successfully filmed the phase 2 3 phase, completed phase 2. I am just going to edit it right now and then export it, and then I'll show you how exactly I am going to, like, publish it and all of the things, right? Okay, now that the course is getting, like, saved in my laptop, I am going to go ahead and edit the landing page of this, since it's gonna take some time, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a funnel as well. What I do is I create my sell my digital products on this website called as TopMate. This is amazing, especially if you're in the US. There's a website called as Stan Store, which is very, very similar to this, but I feel like it is way, way better. Now the best thing is, like, it is also for Indians, like the currency and everything is, like, adaptable. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'll upload my course. In that, you also get a option for funnels, right? So let's just say today you view my course, and then after that you'll also receive a few more emails, and in that emails I am going to give more guidance and tips about how you can grow your personal brand. And that's how I'm going to create this strong system, you can say. I've been really learning about systems currently, so that's what I'm going to set up right now, and the landing page. And then probably by 6 p.m. we will be good to publish the course. So we did create the course, film the course, edit the course, upload the course within 6 hours. Okay, so the course is now live. I feel like I just need to make a few changes, a little bit more reviews or something I can add over here. But it looks extremely exciting. What do you think? And I've also set up the funnel over here. So I've also set up the funnel over here, which is what I'm excited about. And this is how it will look on my profile. I want to shift this like on top near my best selling products. So yeah, that is my digital product. So it's been a few days and the course has received 378 sales, and also I've made 2367 rupees. This is from the pay what you want feature available on Topmate, where people can go ahead and pay even if the product is free, just for a goodwill purposes. And that is what I've made, which is amazing and pretty good, I would say. Now, if you're interested in going ahead and selling your own digital products, I would highly recommend Topmate. This is not sponsored video. I've been doing that for past 1 year, and trust me, it is so freaking good. You just have to go ahead and log in, create a digital product and paste it over there. That is it. And this is basically how I create and sell my own digital products. This is a process which I follow. Now make sure to watch these videos because they are going to help you so much more, and make sure to subscribe because I post videos every single week.